Good afternoon, students. Today we shall learn a new chapter, that is sets. Let us start with the definition of set. What is a set? Any well-defined collection of objects is called a set. In our daily life, we deal with a variety of objects around us. For example, number of days in a week. We know there are 7 days in a week. So, collection of these days can be considered as a set. Another example, number of months in a year. Set of vowels in English alphabet. You all know what are the vowels in English alphabet. So, collection of all these vowels make a set. Collection of all planets in the solar system. Collection of whole numbers less than 20 is also a set. So the examples that I have told you out here, have written out here, they all form a set. Why do they form a set? Because they all are well defined collection of objects. Now, what is notation of a set? How do we represent a set, or how do we write a set? To write a set, we generally use capital letters like A, B, C or X, Y, Z. And remember, a set is always represented by a third bracket, as I have mentioned out here. It is neither first bracket, neither third bracket. It is always a second bracket. Now, what are members of a set? Members of a set means a set which has got the numbers or the alphabets inside the second bracket, that is called as a members of a set. Let me give you an example. I have written an example. A is a set of vowels of the English alphabet. Now, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So, I write A as a set, and to represent the set, I write it by means of a second bracket. And what are the English vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So, A, E, I, O, U are considered as the members of the set. Now, see students, in this example, I have written A, E, I, O, U. I have not written it together. I have written it by putting a comma sign. That means A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are members of the set A. To write a set, remember, it is always defined by means of comma. Without comma, you cannot describe the members of a set. Whenever you write members of a set, remember, they are represented by means of a comma. Let me give you another example. Suppose number of days in a week. So let me take the number of days in a week as set B, and what are the days in a week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I write by means of a second bracket, and then I write the days by putting a comma sign. So students, whenever you write a set, remember, it is always represented by means of capital letters, and the members of the set is always represented by means of small letters. So capital letter is the set and small letters is the members of the set. In any case, if you do not mention the bracket, or if you do not mention the comma sign, it becomes an incomplete set. So, a set is always represented by means of a bracket, as well as the members are separated by means of comma. A very important thing to note out here is no members are repeated in any set. Whenever you write a set, the members are not repeated. They are always written once. Neither numbers nor letters are repeated twice.